After being delayed by the pandemic and then last month's Grandview fire, restoration work on 1.5 miles of Whychus Creek is now underway. Jack Hirsch visited the site today and joins us now with more. Jack?
Lee, this is phase 2 of a project to restore the creek to its natural floodplain. To make this happen, the Deschutes Land Trust has brought in the big rigs.
We are here at the Deschutes Land Trust's Whychus Canyon Preserve, implementing a large-scale habitat restoration program on Whychus Creek.
Biggest push up against the canyon there, that was moved so to allow for grazing and for cattle and for ranching on the property. And the goal of the restoration is to restore the floodplains.
What we're inheriting is 100 years of the creek having been manipulated and straightened and levied and bermed off to one side. Big part of what you're seeing here is reactivating the entire valley that the creek used to occupy. The habitat as a result has suffered for those fish.
Steelhead, Chinook salmon, trying to bring those populations back to Whychus Creek. They were gone because flows had changed so drastically.
We are redirecting the stream, filling the old channel and lowering the floodplains.
Projects like these can have $2 to $6 million price tags depending on the length of stream, but certainly a small price to pay to restore these native species to this habitat.
There are more sections of the creek slated to be restored. Rika Ayat says the Deschutes Land Trust should finish phase 2 this month, with phase 3 beginning in 2023. Lee?